erased his name. They said the law is done away with. But Yahweh does not change, and his word stands forever. They wanted faith without obedience, a savior without commandments, a church full of people who praise with their lips, but reject his ways. But the Lion of Yahudah is not coming back for lawlessness. He is coming back for a people who guard his name and covenant. For generations, they told us the law was nailed to a cross. Yet, Yahshua said, "Do not think I come to destroy the Torah or the prophets. I did not come to destroy, but to fulfill." Matthew chapter 5, verse 17. He kept every word. He walked it out perfectly, and he commanded his followers to do the same. The prophet Daniel warned us long ago, "And he shall speak great words against the Most High, and shall wear out the saints of the Most High, and think to change times and laws." That was spoken from Daniel chapter 7, verse 25. So the true Sabbath was replaced with Sunday, a day honoring the sun god, which was made to come true by Constantine and the Council of Nicaea. And also the set-apart feasts were replaced with man-made holidays like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, etc., rooted in pagan rituals. But Yahweh's laws stand forever. As I quote, "I am Yahweh, and I change not." Yahshua is the living Torah, the Word made flesh. He kept the Sabbath. He taught the feast. He magnified the commandments, saying, even to look with lust is adultery. He never gave permission to do what is right in your own eyes. He said, "If you love me, keep my commandments." Just as the Father stated in the Old Testament in Deuteronomy. Yahweh does not change. His Torah is perfect, restoring the soul. His commandments are truth, making wise the simple. Psalms 19:7. Though the world rejects his ways, the righteous hold fast. They do not follow the crowd or bow to the beast. In the end, the remnant is described like this. Here is the endurance of the set-apart ones, those who keep the commandments of Elohim and the belief of Yahshua. Revelation 14:12. They walk the ancient path. They choose the narrow road. They keep the testimony and do not waver. For Yahweh is faithful to the covenant he made forever. Come out of confusion. Come out of doctrines of men, out of Babylon ruins. Return to the covenant, Yahweh. Restore the true name that was hidden for generations. Walk in the Torah that was never abolished, the ancient path that makes the crooked straight. Because the Lion of Yahudah is not coming back for lawlessness. He is coming for a remnant, a people who guard his commandments and cling to his name without fear or compromise. He declares, "For I am Yahweh. I do not change. Malachi 3 and 6. Guard the covenant, keep the name, prepare the way.